Livability has a strong Christian ethos, born from a heritage of passionate social reform. We continue to live up to those standards today in helping individuals challenge the barriers that prevent them from accessing their lives fully.
There's a rich history here, and there is a core value here of where would Jesus be? He would be where people with great need and poverty were.
Every person, no matter who they are, whatever their skills, perhaps whatever their limitations, there's someone that's created, and they were created to be that unique individual, and they were also created with an immense potential. Particularly within community engagement, what we can bring to that setting is supporting those who are in churches in that area particularly, in being in it for the long haul, and essentially showing ways in which community can be built with hope at the centre.
We care for people, whatever faith, whatever belief they have, or none.
We really want to be a hub for the local community. So our partnership with Livability enables us to have this building in this great neighbourhood and to be a real centre of what happens in this community.
The work that Livability does has social care elements and the services that we provide and the support we provide for people. Livability also has the work that it does with communities and churches, and in those two things and in bringing those two things together, I think there's a huge amount of potential for making even more of a difference for people.
We make it our aim to run projects that aren't about the church just coming in and looking to help people, but it's about enabling community to help itself and the church acting as a catalyst in that.
I do think about where would Jesus be? He would be in the grey areas of life, and often that's where we have to work.
Livability and local churches share a vision of the future, which is transformed communities of people living good, healthy lives in strong relationships with each other. And I'm just excited to see how we can work together to make that happen.